Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, before I do anything, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. We have a lot coming. And if you're purchasing property in Italy, you need our course. So definitely go down there and sign up. It will save you. It will save you. Anyway, I wanted to introduce this video because a very good friend of ours has put her home on the market, her vacation home on the market in Baia del Carpino. And it is a really nice, charming place. The bathrooms have been remodeled. It's got gorgeous sea views. Wait till you take a look at this. Okay, so the main road is up here. This is in the Baia del Carpino residences. And it's a nice area. It's got a nice community here. Down here is more parking. There's never any trouble with parking, I've found. And I was here all through August, so I never had a problem with parking. And we're coming up to the residence here. We're going to go through this cute little gate. So you have a really pretty little arch here, and then a cute backyard as well. So we're going to go ahead and go on in. Okay, and here we have a really cute little terrace here. I'm going to turn around and show you what the garden looks like. Looks like that. It's very cute. Pretty plants here. And we're going in. And this is the kitchen. I really like how big it is. It's quite a large kitchen. Really cute too. And right inside you have a little bathroom, which is like a little service bathroom here. A window going out. And I'll tell you, that's a nice big shower. It's kind of unusual to have a shower like that in some of these Italian homes because they like those postage stamp shower plates, but I like these big ones. So this is nice and comfy. What I did with my unit is I put a glass door on the outside because it can tend to be a little bit dark in the kitchen here. And that way you can have this door open and the glass door shut so that no bugs come in and your dog stays inside the house or whatnot. And it's nice. Okay, here you have this beautiful open little living room here. Very pretty. And a storage space underneath the stairs. And I love this cute garden out front. It's really pretty. There's a beautiful little terrace out here. Very nice in summertime. And you got a citrus fruit. Looks like you have an orange. Very cute. And the garden is nice. It goes around a little bit. Oh, you got another tree there. It looks like maybe oranges or limes or lemons. Oh, very pretty. And very private too. It's nice because these units are somewhat close together, but they're also very private. That little via down there, there's no traffic there. It's just a walking via. Very, very nice. And of course the flowers and plants are gorgeous. There's a little living area. Very cute, very pretty. I have to ask to see if the furniture comes with it, if you're interested. If you wanted to, you could put doors and shelves and stuff and have a very nice pantry right there. So let's go up the stairs. Okay, we are at the top of the stairs. I'm going to the right to the spare bedroom, which actually is really quite large bedroom. You've got a full-size matrimonial bed in here and two comodini, very spacious. You've got a nice little armadio and a dresser, everything you need. And then you've got this little patio out the back. And out here you can see, look out on the garden. I love these pine trees. They just give a real sense of peace and tranquility. They're like shaggy dogs, you know, a little bit like shaggy dogs. And of course, there's so many flowers and plants here. Very beautiful. And the people tend to, in general, keep up their places pretty nicely. There's one or two that could use a little bit of love, but most of them are really well maintained. Okay, and up here we have another bathroom. Very good size. Oh, I love this shower. Look at it. It's a big shower pan. And obviously this shower's been redone. It's really pretty too. I like the little flowered tiles. Very cute. And you've got a lot of space. You know, they have a little washer here. So you have room for a washing machine. Hello. And your toilets and things like that. You know, these are sort of the older toilets, but they're very easy to replace and with the nice, pretty toilets. If you're into pretty toilets, I kind of am. And here's your little tiles. Look how cute they are. Okay, coming into the master bedroom, this is really the pièce de résistance here. It's huge. You've got room for a big bed, you know, comodini. There's a trunk over there. You've got an armadio here with dressers. You have, oh, and they have a little closet over here too. So I don't want to open it because it's got their personal stuff in it, but that's a closet right there. Hello. And then of course, this is the best part. You have a really good sized terrace out here. And it's really all nice and new. What I would do, and this is something that happens in southern Italy, you're always gonna have that. So what I would do, and I'm gonna do this with my unit, is put cladding, like a nice stone there, or tile or something, and then you never have that problem again. So there you go. I mean, look at this view, guys. It's unbelievable. And really, the pictures don't do it justice. You have a view of the mountains over here. You've got a nice view of the sea. And so this is a nice find. And I think that you would be really, really happy and comfortable here.